it up or what? Where are we going? The beach? Yep. And what's at the beach? Mustang week. Get ready for these daily vlogs because they're gonna be fun. What do you think?
I'm ready to go. Let's go.
Let's go.
Mustang week.
All right. We're all so exhausted. We pretty much spent all day getting ready, but we are so excited about Mustang week. We had to start it a day early.
Living in the same routine, like the seasons I'm on repeat. It's a long way down. Trying not to follow suit. Don't like the color, I'll change the shade of it. I'm not afraid of it. I know I'm holding on to this. Holding on. I know I'm holding on to this. Holding on.
Look at him, he is out. What are you doing? Just checking Instagram, Snapchat, and all your other fun stuff?
No, I'm working.
And you?
I'm just sitting here.
Just sitting here? You did an awesome job with finding this location. So we are gonna stop for the night. It is raining, it's super nasty, but look at this. She found a Walmart over here in the back, but guess what? That's not it. The best part is over here, Chick-fil-A. That's probably one of the best, not probably, that is the best fast food restaurant. So that's where we're getting breakfast in the morning, but we're gonna call it a night. We're gonna get some rest, get up in the morning and finish our drive. So we're not quite halfway. We're probably, I think we did almost about 180 miles, something like that. It's about 400 and so miles for the entire trip. We're gonna go ahead, get some rest, get up in the morning, grab some breakfast at Chick-fil-A, and then after we grab breakfast at Chick-fil-A, we're gonna run into Walmart, pick up some things that we need. Damn, those wheels look so good. Good morning, Joyriders. So I've started off my morning late. I'm eating Chick-fil-A lunch. We didn't make the breakfast in time, but started editing the video that you guys have already seen. If you didn't see it yet, you need to go check it out. It's the wheel video where I revealed the wheels on the GT500. But as soon as I finish eating, I finished uploading the video. It'll be up at 5 p.m. After I finish my food, we're gonna hit the road, aren't we, hon?
Yes, we are.
She's already got her Starbucks too. Isn't that clear coffee
It
right
is.
there?
Clear coffee.
Clear coffee. Thank Liam. He helped edit the video today.
Mama,
Didn't you, bud?
My baby.
Did you help edit the video today? He's having a good time. I'm telling you, like road trips, this RV like makes it 100 times. It doesn't make it so much nicer.
Yes.
Is it? Oh my gosh. It's way more relaxing. Because we left like last night because we're not in a rush because we're already like 2 days early for Mustang week. So we're just taking our time getting there. Because we're late for everything, so I figured if we start 2 days early, we'll be on time.
Yeah, exactly. Except I'm still having anxiety. I'm like freaking out.
Now we're gonna be late?
Yeah.
Round and round we go, losing self-control.
Hey, what's up?
You editing?
I'm trying to.
Almost done?
Wrapping it up right now.
This is yesterday's vlog?
Yes.
Angry.
I'm not angry. I'm just exhausted. I was just trying to hurry up and get this vlog out. I'm just kind of frustrated that like people just like kind of parked and blocked me in a little bit.
I know, I did, yeah, I told him, I showed them.
But hey, it is what it is. There's nothing you can do about it. So I mean, I'm not like in a rush or anything. But as soon as the first car moves out, I'm thinking about bringing the slide in, and then we should have probably. It's probably my fault. I parked so close to Chick-fil-A, and Chick-fil-A is a popular place. I should have really parked way over there on the other end. But anyway, as soon as one of the cars moves, I'll back out. Here comes the cops. So they're parked right behind me. We probably parked in like one of the most busiest shopping centers we could have, and edited a little bit this morning. Now we're gonna head out before. Yeah, it's. We're just checking the map.
Say good morning, vlog.
I should have.
Say love you, B. Love you too. Logan. What's my name?
B.
Who's your favorite character?
Name of Queen.
Who else do you like?
Beetle.
Mater?
Yeah.
Why do you like Mater?
Because it's silly.
He's silly?
Yeah.
What is going on here? Look at this. We ran into a subscriber. What's your name?
What's up, Nate?
Nate. Look at this. We just stopped to go get some Starbucks over here.
Cool. So what event are you headed to? Are you headed back home?
No. We're heading to Mustang.
Okay,
Out of
where's
Myrtle
that?
Beach.
Myrtle Beach. I wish I could go.
What do you think of the new wheels? I haven't revealed them yet.
Phenomenal. They look phenomenal.
Completely
I saw the
different
car, then I saw her. I was like, I know exactly who that is. I didn't even have to see the sticker on the car. I was like, I know who that is.
You want to plug your channel? He has a YouTube channel, but it's not a car channel. It's a video game channel.
What's up, guys? Check me out, Deputy_Just_Do_It. I do a lot of Fortnite and Grand Theft Auto I used to do, and then I do a lot of Black Ops Zombies now. So check me out, and then I'm always down to join up anybody that wants to join up for some squads or whatever. So yeah, I'll get out of y'all's hair. I know y'all.
Okay, bye.
What's your plans for Mustang?
My plans?
Yeah.
To get lit like a Christmas tree.
Go ask Laura what's her plans.
JD told me to ask you what your plans for this week are.
What my plans are?
Yeah, what your plans for Mustang week are.
Probably whatever JD's doing.
I said, say get lit like a Christmas tree, because that's what I said.
For me to say that?
Yeah.
Get lit like a Christmas tree.
Like that's gonna be a new shirt.
Morning, Joyriders. We officially made it here in Myrtle Beach. We got here last night around like 9:30 or so. The car is over here. We're over in another Walmart parking lot. If you guys don't know, when you have an RV, you're allowed to park in Walmart parking lots. I think it's Walmart, Bass Pro Shop, Cabela's, and places like that. You're allowed to park in their parking lots with your RV with no issue. I mean, you can't live here, but look at this thing. I wiped it down already once. It's not really too dirty, so I may have to wipe wiper down again one more time, but there's the wheels. You guys check out the wheel video. That's the one before this. It looks so good. I am super excited for Mustang week to start. I can't express how excited I am. And a lot of you guys have been messaging me telling me this is your first Mustang week. So I'm super excited to meet you guys. And if this is your first time ever coming to Mustang week, I'll put a link in the description to the Mustang week page that kind of gives you a breakdown of all the different events and everything that's going on, because there is an actual schedule for Mustang week. But one of my most favorite things about Mustang week is a random meetup. So the fam, they're in the RV, they're getting ready, and then once they get ready, gonna head over to the, I guess the beach house rental place, and then we have to figure out where we're gonna put this, because I don't think we can park it at the beach house, but I'm gonna have to figure that out today. If anybody has any suggestions or any local people around here know a place where I can park my RV, let me know, hit me up, because I'm looking for a spot to put it. If you guys haven't hit that notification bell and you want to keep up with these daily uploads, definitely hit that, because I will be posting daily while I'm here for this week in Myrtle Beach for Mustang week. It's going to be fun, and I'm super excited to meet a bunch of you guys. This Friday, we're going to do a subscriber meet with a few of the other YouTubers. We're going to have that over at the Hooters in front of the mall by the, I think it's the Bass Pro Shop. That's where we're gonna do our subscriber meet. It's Friday at 9 p.m. if you guys are in Myrtle Beach for Mustang. So right now, I'm gonna run back in the RV. I'm gonna wrap this video up, and I will see you guys tomorrow.